Hi, this is Mrs. Janeski here, demonstrating how to solve the problem number 2 on the Chapter 7 original assessment. The question says, the lines below show the rates in ounces per minute of 3 eighth graders drinking water through the day. Find the slope of each line and determine which student drinks his or her water the fastest. Carefully read the graph and pay attention to the scale. So the first thing we want to do is identify some lattice points on here to help us find our slope. So, for instance, 0, 0 is a good one if your line goes through 0, 0. And remember, a lattice point is a good point where the coordinates kind of meet and it's an easy location. So now I've identified my 2 lattice points. I'm going to go ahead and draw my triangle here. And I'm going to count how many units up and how many units across I needed to go. I'm going to take note of our scale. We're counting by ones on both X and Y axis. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. And I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope of this line is going to be 3/4. Let's move on to Natalie's line. 0, 0 is a good lattice point here. And if I look, this one looks like a good lattice point there, or even here. All of these are really good lattice points. Some lines don't always have that many. So I'm going to draw my triangle. And again, I'm going to take note of my scale, and I'm counting by ones. So I'm going up 2 and over 2. So the slope of this line is 2 over 2, or that is equal to 1. Finally, let's look at Lydia here. 0, 0 again is a good point. And then if I look at a lattice point here, it looks like this might be a good one as well. I'm going to draw my triangle. And I'm going to count how many units up and over I'm going to go. Again, I'm going to look at my scale. I'm counting by ones. So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 3. So the slope of this line is 7 over 3. Now the question asks, find the slope of each line and then determine who is drinking the water the fastest. If I were comparing these, this fraction is much larger than the other two, so Lydia is the one drinking the water the fastest. Now that you've seen how to do the original problem, you have a chance to do the reassessment problem. So here we go. Question number 2 on the Chapter 7 reassessment. It says, find the slope of each line below and answer the question. It says, carefully read the graph, pay attention to the scale. You're able to pause this video so you can solve this, and please enter your answers in fraction form into the Google form. Your answer should go below the video. Thanks.